In this video, I'll show you how to check your website traffic, visits, and visitors using W statistics in WordPress. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand panel and click on Plugins. Then, select Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type W statistics. When it appears, go ahead and install the plugin, then click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new section on the left-hand panel labeled as Statistic. Click on it to open the W Statistics dashboard. Here, you'll see a summary of your website traffic, including visitors, visits, and a graph showing traffic trends. If you scroll down, you can view the top visitors of your site. Scroll further and you'll see a list of your recent visitors, along with useful details. And that's it. Double Statistics gives you a clear, easy to understand overview of your site traffic. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.